Okay, adjusting. This chair is pretty uncomfortable now, I have to say. Adjusting. Well, anyways, hello beautiful beings, how have you been? So in this video, I'm gonna do a very natural makeup look. It's kind of a fresh look, and I'm not going to be using any foundation. I'll be using this BB cream by FLAMINGO. Yes, ladies. So I have already prepped my face with the setting spray because I have a pretty dry skin. So let's proceed. Well, I'm going to take a very little amount of this BB cream. Say this much. And then apply it all over my big face. I actually kind of happen to like this FLAMINGO BB cream. It's my next best besides the BB cream which I have is like by Jane Iredale. And I know there are many more, and I hope to find all of them one fine day and use it all. Now time to blend. The funny thing is that this brush kind of reminds me of my father's shaving brush. If you can like relate, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It looks quite decent enough, so it's time for concealer now. And the concealer that I'm going to be using is by LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is in the shade Porcelain. So to get the inner glow of her pink cheeks, I'm gonna be using this hydrating liquid blush. It's by MINISO. The links will be in the description box down below. I don't know whether you get it out here or not because my sister got it for me, and I've been trying to look for it in stores nearby, the MINISO stores, and well up to no avail. So I'm just gonna dab it like that. Where usually your cheeks get pink, because this is quite fresh, not glowy but fresh look tutorial. So I'm just gonna dab it up there in my chin area as well. So there are several processes for my cheeks in this video, and the second thing I'm going to use is Lip and Cheek Stain by Body Shop, and it's Pink Hibiscus 001. And I kind of like it because it's kind of in liquid, and it gives you a nice stain, a good blush. See, like I told you, the natural inner glowing blush. I just love it. It's kind of getting over and kind of sad. Just kind of dab it like that with my fingers. So now I'm going to contour my nose with a powder blush, and I'm going to be using my regular Revlon blush to contour my nose. Just to draw a line out there, just to shade it, just to give it a nice pink shade. No worries, because I'll be contouring properly later in the video. Time for eyebrows. Mascara just flew by. It has been taunting me and haunting me yet. So well, I'm not that happy with my eyebrows. Just wanted this look, so I'm just gonna brush it up like that. So gotta do something with my contouring, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline V-Face Dew Stick. I'm just gonna line it out there. Not dark, but just to give you enough shape. Now onto with the lips. So I'm just going to use this lip liner to draw the outer corners of my lips. As I've already applied lipstick by MINISO, I'm gonna apply this another liquid lipstick by MINISO as well. Just gonna draw it like that. Just, oh my, that was mosquito actually. And now I'm going to use a Revlon powder blush again for my eyelids, just to give a little bit natural pinky soft touch. I'm not going for anything dark or anything subtle or anything warm. I'm just going for something that looks fresh. I actually have a downturned hooded eyes, and I usually go for foxy eye or the cat eye eyeliner, but this time I'm going for a droopy puppy look. The magnetic eyelash glue is like dry enough for my eyelash to set in. I usually cut my eyelashes into half, but in this I'm just going to use the full because I'm going for the downturned puppy eyes, and this is what I actually want, so I'm just sticking it. So it's done, and the last product that I'm going to use is lipstick by UEMURA, and just gonna use it on my cheeks like I told you before. Like there are like several processes for my cheeks. Actually this kind of over and I can't usually get in my lips, so I usually use as a blusher. It just gives you this natural, shiny, glowy look. Like I told you, it's like not powder based, so it's just going to give it a nice tint and nice glow and nice shine. That's it, ladies. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like. Please subscribe, comment down below, push the notification bell, and share if you want to. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.